Hi guys, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button in order to be informed for our future videos. Super Affiliate Systems training course has created 5-7 FIGURE marketers. The combination of paid advertising and affiliate marketing just plain works. Ad, pre-sale, offer. It's not a complicated formula, and the way we teach it has helped thousands of people do everything from create a respectable side income all the way to making 7 figures per year online and live their dream lives. The Super Affiliate System is a complete affiliate marketing training system that shows people how to create massively profitable affiliate campaigns. People ads. We show people how to not only create engaging ads that work and give them working ads they can copy, paste, but we give away over $895 of free AD credits to those who sign up, so they can get started with zero risk. Place, pre-sale. We give away working both downloadable pre-sale page templates, but we also have click and clone ClickFunnels templates that make it easy for first-time affiliates to get started with no programming knowledge necessary. Product offers. We guide students to the highest converting offers, the best affiliate networks, and give students access to high-ticket affiliate offers that produce recurring revenues. The core skills we focus on are the following: copywriting, data analysis, research. These skills form the backbone of all our teachings on how to effectively market products online. Students not only come out of our training with proven tactics and methods to making money online, but also will have developed core skills that will help them no matter where they ultimately end up in life. We also focus highly on mindset exercises with our students by exposing them to visualization exercises, mindset exercises, goal-setting exercises, assistance to reduce shiny object syndrome, and more. We maintain exceptionally strong engagement with our students throughout the course of the 12-week training, by regularly sending them messages through email, text, voicemail, and push notifications. This is sales for the 21st century, and we truly are committed to our students' success and engage with them every chance we get. You'll notice something different here. We really care about our students. And by the way, we produce massive results for those who take action. This program has created 4 millionaires, and has helped thousands of people create their first sales online. If you would like to learn more and enroll to the free training, please check the link below this video at the description section and enjoy your absolutely free training. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channels and hit the bell button for our future videos. Once again, thank you for watching.